Hey, it's Mike Sweeney with SweeneyMarketingGroup.com. And in today's video, if you are a senior or approaching the age of retirement, or you're thinking about what options you have with retirement, and you're thinking about what you can do to make some money online, I've got a couple things for you. Before we get started, hit the subscribe button below so that you can keep up to date with future videos, ideas, things I share about online marketing, online money making, businesses, home business. Um, Click that link, stay in touch, keep informed. So I got a lot of good stuff coming yet. But let's jump into seniors making money online, because the day is coming for myself too. I'm approaching. I'm approaching. So I feel your pain. Um, and I think the reason why a lot of people getting to that point in their life start looking for something online, there's a number of things. One is people live longer, obviously. And there's this fear of outliving your retirement, your income that you've saved, your investment. There's a fear of, will it be enough? And in some cases, there's people that started their retirement later, or they're just starting to put some money aside. And they know for a fact that either they're going to continue to work for a longer period of time doing some type of supplemental income outside of Social Security, or if you have a pension, or if you have some little bit of a nest egg saved someplace. Um, there's the fear of what happens if Social Security is cut, or it's um, no longer available at some point. There's insurance issues that come into play. Uh, there is health issues. What if something were to happen to your health? And how much of that would take away money that you've saved, or money that you wanted to use for other purposes, obviously, because you can't predict any of that, what may happen to any of us at any given time. But there's always, I don't always want to say a fear, but there's that uneasiness that's always in your mind about what if, or, you know, if something were not to go as planned, how would you deal with it, or what could you use, or how could you overcome the situation? And that's what gets people looking for, as far as seniors, a way to make money online. And you see a lot of them getting involved with it, which is a good thing. As a matter of fact, Tuesday night, I was on a webinar with a guy named Stan. And Stan is 82 years old. And he is doing a home business. And get this, Stan, in his first 30 days, okay, Stan generated 900 subscribers, 900 leads on his email list, okay? 900 subscribers he created. And he also created, I believe he said 16 sales. He created 16 sales in his first 30 days of doing something online. And he's in network marketing. And not only did he create 16 sales, but he developed a team of 60 people in 30 days. And Sam's 82 years old, or Stan is 82 years old, and I'm watching him, and for 82 years old, I mean, you could see the enthusiasm. You could see just the vibrant life that he has at 82. And he's got a vision board of places that he wants to go see, um, things that he wants to have in his life. And the number one thing that he talked about was his fear of if his pension changed like $50, there was a fear of him not being able to live the life that he has right today at 82. That he'd have to give up some things, and he didn't want to have to do that, so he started looking for a home business. Um, as a matter of fact, if you want to see a copy or get a hold of a replay of that webinar, contact me and I will get a link to you. Either message me, leave a comment below, or contact me with my contact details that are below in the description area here. And I'd gladly share that with you because it was very inspiring, but it was also um, just very uplifting to see someone of his age accomplishing those things and just having, well, for one, he was having fun doing it too. I mean, he was having a fun time and he was getting results and he just started taking action. And it really was just three simple things that he was doing. He was following a system and the process that was in place. And I've seen interviews from other people that were going through the same process. Maybe not as in Stan's age. I've seen them from 30 years old up to Stan's age of 82. There's a whole group of people in between there. So if you'd like more information on that, hit me up, contact me, and I will surely get that out to you. But going back to my point about seniors making money online, Stan being, he is the perfect example of what is available for people out there. And to start that business, it was very low cost. I mean, there was a higher end. Um, it was like $9.97, I think, for a higher end upgrade. But for him to get going, it was less than $100 to get started in this business. And then for him to build the business, I didn't see the question asked about how much he was spending as far as investing in the business. It could be $200 a month, $300 a month, upwards to $400 a month possibly, but somewhere in that range. And whether it be 200, 300, and even if you weren't in a place to do that type of investment, maybe you wanted to go at a lower rate of 100, 150, and instead of getting 900 leads and subscribers on your list and 16 sales, you would take like a prorated portion of what your 200, 150 or $200 would get you. Instead of 900, maybe it's going to get you, I don't know, 300. And of that, if he made 16 sales off of 900, what are you going to make off of? You're going to make 1/3 of that, so you might make 5 sales. Okay? And of those 5 sales, it's not only going to start paying for your business, but it's also going to start putting you into some type of profit with 5 sales. So imagine that. If you could get a business started for under $100 a month, and you're investing $150 to $200 a month, and it puts you into profit in your first 30 days, even if it was your first 60 days, if it puts you into profit in 60 days, I'm talking profit off of your initial investment and getting the business, he got his business started, set up, and running in 30 minutes, I believe, following the process that they have. And from there, he just started sending the traffic to generate the leads, started doing the follow-up through email, started he texted some people if they gave him a number, and then when people joined his business, he would call them. He would get on the phone and he would call them and welcome them, and then he would describe the process that he was doing, the same exact three steps, three, three, three simple steps that he was doing, and he would tell them where to go to follow the three steps, just like he was told to do, and that's how he's building his team of 60 people. And it wasn't him personally building the team of 60 people. No, remember he built the original 16, and of those 16, they helped build the other part of that 60. That is a very important point right there. Is not only is it his time working the business, but it is the 16 other people working the business. And now he's got a total of 60 people working in the business. That is not only amazing, but it is what you call passive income. It's what you call residual income. It's what you call you go to bed at night, you wake up in the morning, and you've made another sale, or someone else on your team has made another sale. And I think that is the excitement that Stan brings out, at 82, and it was just very, very, very refreshing to see, and I'm happy for Stan. I mean, it's just a testament as to the internet doesn't have to be a technical, scary place for people, because I know people in my age and older didn't necessarily grow up on the computer like they do in today's generation. And if you can get over that slight fear, and as a matter of fact, if you're in the process of looking for something to do online, I'm going to believe that that fear may not exist, or if it does exist, it's something that you're willing to step over, you know, find your limitations on it, overcome it, and move forward from it. And that's exactly what he was able to do, and that's exactly what a lot of people are able to do. So for all the senior friends out there, if you are looking for a way to make money, contact me, and I will show you the replay of what Stan had gone through. And as a matter of fact, I will actually give you some additional videos that you'll be able to find helpful to help you do that exact same business, that exact same plan that he was following. And it'll help you have an idea of what it was he got into, what it was exactly what he did when he started doing the business, so that you can decide if that's something that would be beneficial for yourself. So contact me below. My contact information is below. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and if you want that extra help, let me know, and I will surely, surely, surely get that out to you. Thanks for watching the video. Please share it if you liked it, and I'll be back with more information real soon. Have a good evening.